1, 2, 3, 4. Color train, choo choo choo. Color train, coming through. Up the track and down the lane, here comes our happy color train. Red car, stop right here. Red are apples, big and clear. Wave your hand, shout red today. Red, hooray, hooray. Yellow car, shining bright. Yellow sun with happy light. Clap your hands, say yellow too. Yellow, choo choo choo. Blue car, rolling slow. Blue is the sky and the sea below. Touch your head and say blue. Learning colors is fun to do. Green car, last in line. Green are leaves and trees so fine. Color train is done today. Say goodbye and wave hooray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.